How to use moringa leaves for diabetes. Diabetes is a health condition that affects how your body controls blood sugar. Many people today are looking for natural ways to support their health. And one powerful plant that has gained attention is Moringa oleifera. Commonly known as moringa, this plant has been used for generations in traditional herbal practices because of its rich nutrients and health-supporting properties. In this video, I will share simple ways you can use moringa leaves to support healthy blood sugar levels naturally. Before we begin, remember that herbal remedies support the body, but they are not a replacement for professional medical care, especially for serious conditions like diabetes. Now let's begin. First, let's talk about why moringa leaves are helpful. Moringa leaves are packed with nutrients. They contain vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and plant compounds that support overall health. One important benefit of moringa is that it may help the body regulate blood sugar levels. Some natural compounds found in moringa leaves can slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. This may help prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar after eating. Moringa is also rich in antioxidants. These compounds help protect the body cells from damage and may support the pancreas, the organ responsible for producing insulin. Now let's look at simple ways to use moringa leaves. The first method is moringa leaf tea. This is one of the easiest and most popular ways to use moringa. Start by taking a small handful of fresh moringa leaves. If you do not have fresh leaves, you can use dried moringa leaves instead. Wash the leaves thoroughly with clean water. Boil 1 to 2 cups of water and add the leaves into the boiling water. Allow the leaves to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. After boiling, turn off the heat and allow the tea to cool slightly. Strain the liquid into a cup and drink it warm. For best results, many people drink moringa tea once in the morning before breakfast. Some people also drink another cup in the evening. Drinking moringa tea regularly may support better blood sugar control over time. The second method is moringa leaf powder. If you cannot get fresh moringa leaves, moringa powder is another effective option. You can make moringa powder at home by drying fresh leaves under shade until they become completely dry. After drying, grind the leaves into a fine powder and store it in a clean airtight container. To use moringa powder, take half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of the powder. Mix it into a glass of warm water and drink it once daily. Some people also mix moringa powder into smoothies, soups, or healthy meals. This allows the body to receive the nutrients gradually throughout the day. The third method is adding moringa leaves to food. Moringa leaves can be added to many meals. You can add fresh moringa leaves to vegetable soups, stews, or sauces. Some people also mix moringa leaves with eggs, rice, or other dishes. When added to food, moringa not only improves nutrition, but may also help support healthy sugar metabolism. The fourth method is moringa and ginger tea. Combining moringa with natural herbs like ginger may offer additional health support. Take a handful of moringa leaves and a small piece of fresh ginger. Wash both ingredients thoroughly. Boil them together in 2 cups of water for about 10 minutes. Strain the liquid and drink 1 cup in the morning. Ginger supports digestion and circulation, while moringa helps with blood sugar balance. Together, they create a powerful herbal drink. Now let's talk about some important habits that can improve the effectiveness of moringa. Using herbs alone may not give the best results if healthy lifestyle habits are not followed. People who want to manage blood sugar naturally should also pay attention to their diet. Reduce excessive sugar intake and limit highly processed foods. Eat more vegetables, whole grains, and fiber-rich foods. Regular physical activity also helps the body use insulin more effectively. Even simple activities like daily walking can support blood sugar balance. Another important tip is consistency. Natural remedies usually work gradually. Using moringa occasionally may not show strong results, but using it consistently as part of a healthy routine may support better outcomes. However, moderation is also important. Do not take very large amounts of moringa. A small daily amount is usually enough to support the body. If you are already taking medication for diabetes, it is important to monitor your blood sugar regularly. Combining herbs and medication without proper monitoring may cause blood sugar to drop too low. Pregnant women and people with serious health conditions should always speak with a healthcare professional before using herbal remedies regularly. Now let's briefly summarize the simple ways to use moringa leaves. You can drink moringa leaf tea. You can take moringa powder mixed with warm water. You can add fresh moringa leaves to meals. Or you can combine moringa with other herbs like ginger to make herbal tea. Each of these methods can help the body receive the powerful nutrients found in moringa. Over time, these nutrients may support healthy blood sugar balance and overall wellness. Nature has provided many plants that support the body, and moringa is truly one of the most remarkable. But remember, the goal is not only to treat symptoms, but to support a healthy lifestyle that keeps the body strong. If you found this information helpful, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more herbal teachings and natural health tips. Also share this video with someone who may benefit from learning about the natural uses of moringa leaves. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.